Hi guys, it's Nunu, and we are in week 6 of 6 in modules, July 15th through the 21st, 2019. We made it. We made it through this accelerated semester, doing work that would normally be completed in 16 weeks. Okay, so what do we have here in home on our bulletin board? We have the image of a white rose, and that's fitting because our essay is about the white rose group. So using the white rose group as a vehicle, argue that people do or do not have the right to think critically and act ethically. Okay, so we can click here to go into modules. And here we are on our to-do list for week 6, July 15th through the 21st. We have essay 3 here, and we have another essay 3. You're going to upload your term paper as a file to VeriCite, so that'll be important that you need to do. And of course, all the directions are here. If you have any questions or concerns, I'm here in inbox. Let's have a good last week.